wherever, that western side, Kollur or wherever, if you want to buy a similar villa, it costs you 8 crores minimum. Here, you are getting the same villa for 3 crores. You want to live in an area which is choked with concrete jungle and overflowing sewage lines and traffic polluted environment, more noise, more dust. You want to live in that kind of area, or you want to live in a much better, peaceful, serene resort type of area, you can breathe fresh air, you have less dust, less noise, more peace, and you're saving 5 crores and you're also saving your health and you're giving a better lifestyle for your kids. It's all about, I say, the connectivity and the comfort. You can open your Google map and just mark financial district. It shows 50 minutes or 55 minutes because we have that ORR exit and entry is number 7 is hardly 2 kilometers from here. So once you get onto it, another 50 minutes you are in financial district.
This is just one part of the story. Visit Meluha and experience the rest.